All right, Bundys Garage here, Bundy here. Hey, listen, I'm working on this 1999 Honda Accord with a 3.0 liter, and it's got a power steering leak, and I was trying to figure out where it was. The common problem on these is that this hose actually leaks right here. The high pressure hose coming off the power steering pump, and just looking below it, there's all kinds of power steering fluid right there. But so let's clean it up a little bit. Watch this. This is a little crazy. So got a clean cloth, just wiping all that up. You see that fluid right there? It's weeping through the power steering hose. This hose is so old that the power steering fluid is just weeping out of it. There's not an actual cut. It just becomes so porous that power steering fluid is coming out of the high pressure hose. I'll wipe it again so you guys can see. Happens almost instantaneously. It formed right in the same exact spot. So the best price I found for these hoses on Rock Auto. I'm actually gonna order one right now. But yeah, with low power steering fluid, the power steering pump was making a bunch of noise, and replacing this hose should fix that. So just want to show you guys some funky stuff that can happen with a high pressure power steering hose on this Honda Accord V6. All right, later, dudes.